In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can interpret a pie chart. A pie chart is incredibly useful for showing the proportion of people that liked, in this case, different colours. Grabbing my protractor, placing it in the centre, and measuring orange, I can see that the angle is 152. Orange represents the biggest section of my pie chart, and because it's the biggest, it means more people liked orange than any other colour. The least liked was red, because it represents the smallest angle in my pie chart. For this question, 62 people are represented by the red section, and I need to work out how many people are represented in the entire chart. Knowing that the angle is 99.2 degrees, I can work out how many degrees one person represents by doing 99.2 divided by 62. This gives me 1.6. This is what one person represents in my pie chart. Knowing that there are 360 degrees in the entire diagram, I can then work out how many people are represented by doing 360 divided by 1.6, and this gives me 225 people. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So in this diagram, 96 people are represented by the red section, and the red section has an angle of 153.6. So dividing 153.6 by the number of people represented by the red section also gives me 1.6 degrees. This is what one person represents in my diagram. Knowing that there are 360 degrees in the entire diagram, dividing it by 1.6, the number of degrees that one person represents, also equals 225 people.